Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a stunning zodiac signs portrait using Dreamface app. This is the trending AI filter that transforms your selfie into a magical astrology inspired artwork, and it's super easy to do. So let's get started. First just open your Dreamface. If you don't have it yet, just open Play Store and then just download the app. And once it's installed, just open it up and sign in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer free plans that will give you a weekly credits, so you can try this out without paying anything. Next, after you log in, you will be on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filters. And then in here you will see a bunch of different filter styles. Just scroll down until you find the 12 zodiac signs sections. This one, just tap on it, and then from here just pick the one that matches your zodiac signs. Like this, and then just select your photo. Just choose a clear photo of yourself, preferably with good lighting and your face is clearly visible. Like this, and once you're done selecting the photo, just tap on animate. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will see your image completely transformed into a gorgeous fantasy-inspired zodiac artwork like this. And then when you like it, you can download it directly to your phone. And okay, that's it. That's how you can turn your regular photo into a zodiac signs masterpiece using Dreamface. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.